Hello students, as we discuss the preparation of alcohol in the different methods, one of the method that we have discussed, that is the catalytic hydration of alkene. So we need to discuss the mechanism of catalytic hydration of alkene. Hydration means addition of water. Catalytic hydration means addition of water in the presence of catalyst. So we need to discuss the mechanism. It is very important for the exam purpose. So let us discuss its mechanism. So catalytic hydration, that is acid catalyzed hydration, because here it is catalyzed in the presence of acid. So in the equation you can see H positive, that is actually acid. So acid here acts as a catalyst in the addition of water. So the alkenes react with water in the presence of acid as a catalyst to form alcohols. So in the case of symmetrical alkene, as we discussed earlier, here the double bond break, one H added here, one OH get added on this carbon atom. In the case of symmetrical alkene, you can add H and OH on any of the side. That means either on this carbon or in this carbon. But in the case of unsymmetrical alkene, like one of the example which is given here, propene. So here the addition of water, that means H plus and OH minus, should be done on the basis of the rule, that is Markovnikov rule. So what the Markovnikov rule says, that the negative part get attached on that carbon atom which have less number of hydrogen atom. So when you compare this carbon and this carbon, so in this we can find out the middle carbon have less number of hydrogen, so OH get attached on that carbon and H get attached on the other carbon. So we get this product. So you have to use Markovnikov rule during the acid catalyzed hydration of alkene. So let us discuss its mechanism. This takes place in 3 steps. First step is the protonation of alkene to form carbocation by electrophilic attack of H3O+. So first what happens here, the water that combines with H positive, that is act as a catalyst here, that is a proton. So it gives rise to what? H3O+. It gives rise to H3O+. So this H3O+, what happens when it combines with the alkene? So in this you can see that this electron, double bonded electron, is used by this H and the H positive get attached on this carbon. So here H2O is this part get removed, that is water get removed, and this H positive, that is this H positive get attached on this carbon atom. So here H positive, because it does not have an electron, therefore the electrons for forming the bond is given from the double bonded electron. The double bond break and that electron is utilized to form bond of H with this carbon. So there will be formation of a carbocation. You can see carbocation is formed and water is formed. So why it forms a positive charge here? Because when H plus combines, H plus get attached on this carbon atom. So the double bond break. Now you can see that this carbon atom in this, the valency get not satisfied here. So that means there is a deficiency of electron. So it develop a positive charge there. So that is called as protonation of alkene. Protonation means addition of proton to the alkene. So it results in the formation of carbocation. This is now called as carbocation. In the second step, nucleophilic attack of water on the carbocation. Now this is the carbocation which is formed in the first step. Now there is a nucleophilic attack of water. Nucleophilic attack of water. This will get attack on this carbon atom because the lone pairs which is present in oxygen, that is utilized for forming a bond with this carbon. So you can see that now the water get attached on this carbon, and here the O develops a positive charge. So it results in the formation of a intermediate. Then what happened? There is a deprotonation to form alcohol. Deprotonation means there is a removal of H positive. So this H positive get removed. So it results in the formation of alcohol. So deprotonation means D means removal. Protonation means proton. So here there is one extra proton. So when it get removed, then it is called as deprotonation of to form alcohol. This intermediate which is formed here, it is called as protonated alcohol. What is called this one? This is called as protonated alcohol. So when you compare the structure here, it is an alcohol with one extra H positive. So therefore it is called as protonated alcohol. So that extra proton, when it get removed, that is deprotonation, then it results in the formation of alcohol, and H3O plus will be removed. So this is called as the step, that is deprotonation to form alcohol. So this is all about the mechanism. So what are the steps in the mechanism? First step, protonation of alkene, that is first H positive get added on alkene. Then there is a nucleophilic attack of water, so to form a protonated alcohol. Then deprotonation means removal of one proton, so there is a formation of alcohol. So the formation of alcohol by the acid catalyzed hydration takes place in the 3 steps. What are the 3 steps? That is step 1, protonation of alkene to form carbocation. Step 2, nucleophilic attack of water on carbocation. Step 3, deprotonation to form alcohol. So in all these steps, when you are writing the mechanism, it is important to mention the arrows. You can see here whatever arrows are there, it is important to mention the arrows, because in the exam also it is specified that you should need to give the particular arrows in order to show the displacement of electron. So these electrons here shows the displacement of electron which is used for the formation of bond here. So that is all about this mechanism. So in the next video we'll be discussing the further details. Have a nice day.